Hi friend, our subject is entrepreneurship development. First we have to see the concept of entrepreneurship. The word entrepreneurship is derived from the French verb entreprendre, which means to undertake. This refers to those who undertake the risk of new enterprises. An enterprise is created by an entrepreneur. The process of creation is called as entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is a process of action of an entrepreneur who is a person always in search of something new, ideas. Then entrepreneurship development is the mean of enhancing the knowledge, skill of entrepreneurs through the several classroom, coaching and programs and training. The main point of the development process is to strengthen and increase the number of entrepreneurs. Then we have to see the characteristic of entrepreneurship. The first characteristic is economic and dynamic activity. Entrepreneurship is an economic activity because it involves the creation and operation of an enterprises with a view to creating value or wealth. Means whatever may be the business started, it should be economic to the entrepreneur. Then second one is related to the innovation. Entrepreneurship involves a continuous research for a new idea. Entrepreneurship compels an individual to continuously evaluate the existing mode of business operation so that more efficient and effective system can be evolved and adopted. Entrepreneurship is a continuous effort for synergy in organization. Then third one is the profit potential is likely level of return or compensation to the entrepreneur for taking on the risk of developing an ideas into actual business venture. Without profit potential, the effort of entrepreneur would remain only an abstract and theoretical lesson. This will be the profit potential. Then fourth one is the risk bearing. The essence of entrepreneurship is the willingness to assume risk arising out of the creation and implementation of new idea. Means it should be a risk bearing capacity should be a here. An entrepreneur has to have patience to see his efforts bear fruit. Then we have to see the entrepreneurial process. Entrepreneurship is a process, it is a journey, not the destination. Means it will be not an end. All the successful entrepreneurs like as Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, then Steve Jobs, others will be follow this process. To establish and run an enterprises, it is divided into three parts: entrepreneurial job, promotion and the operation. Entrepreneurial job is restricted to two steps. First step is generation of idea and preparation of flexibility report. Then we have to discuss two categories. First one is the idea generation. To generate an idea, entrepreneurial process has to pass through the three stages. First one is the germination. This is like seeding process, not like planting seeds. It is more like the natural seeding. The most creating idea can be linked to an individual's interest or area of study. Then second one is the preparation. Once the seed of interest curiosity has taken the shape of focused idea, creative people starts a search for answer to the problem. Inventor will go for setting up laboratories. Designer will think of engineering new products, ideas. Marketers will be study the consumer buying habits. Then third step is incubation. This is the stage where entrepreneurial process enters the subconscious intellection. The subconscious mind joins the unrelated ideas so as to find the resolution to the problem. Then we have to see related to the flexibility study. The flexibility study is done to see if an idea can be a commercial viable. Because of that, it will be passes through the two steps. First one is the elimination. What is the elimination? After the generation of idea, this is the stage when the idea is thoughts of an realistic creation. The stage of idea blossoming critical because idea by themselves have no meaning. Then second one is the verification. This is the last thing to verify the idea is realistic or useful for the application. Verification is concerned about the practically to implement an idea, explore it usefulness to the society and the entrepreneur. Means verification we have to carry it out whether it is applicable or useful to the society, agricultural area, industrial area as well as entrepreneur, that it should be economical to the all. Then we have to discuss related to the benefits of entrepreneurship. First one is development of managerial capabilities. The biggest significance of entrepreneurship lies in the fact that it helps in identifying and developing managerial capabilities of entrepreneurs. Entrepreneur studies a problem, identifies alternative solution to the problem, then compares the alternative in the form of cost and benefits. Means if suppose there will be a one problem having two solutions, then it will be compared with the cost as well as what are the benefits from the two solutions. Then finally choose the best alternative solution to the problem. Then after the development of managerial capabilities, the second will be the creation of organization. Entrepreneurship results into the creation of organization when the entrepreneurs assembles, coordinate physically, human and financial resources and direct them towards the achievement of the objectives through the managerial skills. Then third one is the improving standards of living. By creating productive organization, entrepreneurship helps in making wide varieties of goods and services available to the society, which results into high standards of living for the people. For example, you have to consider the possession of luxurious cars, computer, mobile phones, rapid growth of shopping malls, etc. are the pointers to rising the living standards of the people, and this will be the happens because of the efforts of the entrepreneurs. Then fourth one is the economic development. Entrepreneurship involves creation, use of innovative ideas, and it will be produces something output product by using given resources and by using managerial skills, and whatever may be the output from the product, it will be a very helpful for the economic development of the country. Then we have to discuss related to the factors affecting the entrepreneurship. First factor is the personality factor. In that, first one is the initiative, does the things before being asked for. Then proactive, identification and utilization of opportunities, it is very important. You have to identify and you use that opportunities and do something. Then perseverance, working against all odds, overcome obstacles, and compliance with the success. Means whatever maybe the obstacles are present, we have to overcome that and we have to do it and we have to succeed. Then problem solver, you have to identify the problem, then study on that, then we have to achieve the solution for that problem. Problem solving capacity, it should be very important. Then persuasion means customer and financier promotion of his business and develop and maintain the relationship. Then self confidence, it should be a very important to take the problem, takes the decision and do the activities and to give the solution for the problem. Then self critical, learning from his mistakes and experiences of other and you have to improve. Then a good planner, in that good planner you have to collect the information, prepares a plan and monitor the performance very carefully. Then risk taker, it should be a very important and basic factor, because without risk not any work will be carried out. Then the second factor is environmental factors. The environmental factor is also affects on the entrepreneurship, such as political climate, legal system, economic and social conditions, market situation, it will be a more affected on the product. If the market situation is down, then whatever may be the product you have manufactured, it will be not sold. Then for example, we have to take political stability in the country is absolutely essential for smooth economic activities. The frequent political protest strikes, it will be directly affected on the economic activities and entrepreneurship development. Then important factor to stimulate the entrepreneurship is higher income level of people's, desire for new products, then new technologies, need for faster means of transport and communication. These are the various factors will be very important to stimulate the entrepreneurship. Thus, the combinational effect of personal and environmental factor that influence the entrepreneurship and brings in desired results for the individual and the organization and the society. See what are the different points we have to see in the content. First one is the concept of entrepreneurship. What are the different characteristics of the entrepreneurship, the process of entrepreneurial. Then we have to see the factors affecting the entrepreneurship. See the development of or benefits of entrepreneurship to the organization. In the next video, we have to see the types of entrepreneurs. In that types of entrepreneurs, we have to see the innovative entrepreneurs, emitting entrepreneurs, then Fabian entrepreneurs, drone entrepreneurs, social entrepreneurs. These are the different entrepreneurs we have to see. Then we have to see the functions of entrepreneurs. What are the different functions? Then thank you friends. These are the different points we have to see. Thank you once again.